Good morning. It is Tuesday. It's already 6:45 in the morning. I threw my back out and it is very difficult to get moving around. So I was a little bit late this morning. However, going back to yesterday, 24.64 point range, almost the same range as you had on Friday. And once again, over on the spreads, only 60% on the one that I was focusing on, which was the 41.25, 41.20s. Started yesterday with the 41.10, 41.15s just around 5 o'clock in the morning. Threw that out, $1.80, and blah, blah, blah. The double espresso risk trade. I can't give you a safe trade knowing that we have not dipped minus 1% intraday for 20 trading sessions, and that we are trading in this 23, 25, 28, 21, 23, 26 intraday trading range. So what I got to do is go out there, look at my charts, look at everything that I've got, look at the pricing, see what works out, give it out for you. That trade, obviously, 41.20, 41.25s, 260, 5 o'clock in the morning. As you saw there, they were dropping down as we were getting to the open, 9:43 in the morning. Fantastic credit to have been taken. Screaming and screaming, futures are overbought. The VIX gap is still unfilled. Futures are overbought. Futures are overbought. And we started to dip down. And as we dip down, the reputs ready to buy. Go ahead, get into reputs, 1046. Whether you got the perfect entry in Shawshank Redemption Prison or you didn't, 41.20, 41.25s were at $1.95 when I posted it. They did go to greater than 250 for a greater than 100% trade. One of the newer guys that joined us here, I hope that you had your opportunity to enjoy what 40.15, 40.10 worked out to be. As you saw, everybody closed full credit. Today, it's the exact same setup. We're in Groundhog fucking Day because we don't have anything going on. Right over here, looking at the NASDAQ, that's where I'm focusing on here. Identical within a fucking point double bottom, and an identical visit over here on the ES to that 41.35. Futures, not as oversold as they were yesterday. However, they are oversold. And when you come into the reality point of everything is you had UPS report, big dip, General Motors report, big rip. One that I'm waiting for is that McDonald's, as this thing has just been on an absolute tear from 260 to 290 over the course of this March move, not one single dip at all. And I threw out that trade idea that I wanted to look at prior to earnings. I want to see what this thing shows us after they report today. So moving on, SPX, looking at a 1 minute chart, here's your 5-day moving average, which will be moving down. Hit it, hit it, hit it, rejected. Had your sell off, and everybody started to panic because, oh my God, we just moved 20 points. And then you had your rebound there right off 12 o'clock lunch, and you slowly grinded back to, where is it? 41.36. Had your little bit of a dip, and you went back to 41.36. 41.36 is a monster. It will continue to be a monster. And right now, we are unfortunately playing a game of this totally sucks. We're making money, but it sucks with the range. And we're going to get Microsoft and we're going to get Google this afternoon. And all of this tight bullshit range is going to end. And this is why I had to share that email with you. I don't have it up. And you know what? I'll just make it simple and I'll pull it up here. Past issues. Let's go. Yesterday, SPY calls and puts. So I sent this out yesterday, and we're talking about the range expansion, the SPX. SPY has been trading 416 to 406. looking at my NASDAQ, okay, looking at my NASDAQ, understanding we have weight stocks that are going to be reporting. As bearish as I am and looking for a move down back to that 3,900, I got to be honest and say, look, man, we could go on that fucking move to the upside. If we do, and you put a gun to my head right now, say, look at the chart and tell me what to buy, I would tell you, go get some of these April 28th SPY 420 calls. They're 20 cents each when I did this. They're a lot cheaper now. And Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and Amazon, with the way the NASDAQ is oversold, the chart would say that's what you want to have. Now, if you want to have that, understanding we're in a 50-50, we could go either way. That's the way the game works right now. That's what we're setting with, and that's why it's very frustrating. I love everybody. I hate nobody. If you're dumb, I can treat you. If you're woke, nothing I can do about it. QQQ, same spot, same thing, same thing. McDonald's going to report later on. And even though McDonald's only serves hamburgers and french fries, chicken sandwiches, and a fish fillet, don't forget, it's Tuesday. 'Cause it's Taco Tuesday.